All right, so here I am. We're I'm gonna grab my sunglasses. I don't know where I went to put them. All right, I need to try to find my sunglasses. But anyways, we are here test driving a Model Y. Man, a little disappointing on myself. I forgot my mask. So went back to the car, grabbed it, and now we're going back to the Tesla place. Yeah. Driving a huge Cybertruck might be a little different than driving the Model Y. So honestly, this is making it really hard for me to make that difference. I would love to just buy this one right now and have a Tesla right now. But finances and money says 3 years, save up the down payment. That's really where it's going to be at. I can save up the down payment for the Cybertruck and it won't really cost too much more than this Model Y right here. You know, and if I get a longer range, a bed, the abilities for me to go snowboarding and do everything there is really going to be, you know, superb. That's really what I want. So we're gonna have to go ahead and go back. So this has been a pretty great test drive. I gotta say the people at Tesla have been great. The Domain right here in Austin is a great place. And so yeah, I mean, this right off the bat, this just feels like driving the best car you've ever driven. It's got more than enough space and it's so fast. Sweet Model Y. Those rims are not as nice as those black ones though. Definitely those rims are not as nice. Those are not as cool. For sure. They don't put those on the test drive ones. They don't want you to scuff them up probably. Yeah, initial response on this, I gotta say, right off the bat, it creeps way more than my Kia Soul EV. The regen on this is insane. Way better than my car, gotta say. I mean, it is Tesla, so what do you expect? I mean, it's super minimalist. I mean, everyone's seen it in here, so I don't know what else I really would show. But the back, I mean, as far as I'm concerned, I'm buying the Cybertruck. I actually have the reservation for the Cybertruck, so really this is what I'm really concerned about. And when I look at this here, I mean, it is kind of small still for me. I mean, this is still a huge back. This is way bigger than my Mazda 3. It's about as big as my Kia Soul, maybe a little bit bigger, I feel. It's definitely longer than the Kia Soul. And whoa, definitely down there, way more. I wonder if I can pop the frunk here. I don't know how to pop the frunk. Let's see if we can. God, I have no idea even how to do this. I probably should have took some more tutorials on this. Open frunk. Sweet, that worked. All right, that was pretty nice. All right, I gotta give it back. I don't want to give it back. to this. I think I really could get used to this. I don't know, maybe I'll have to buy a Model Y. I don't know, it's pretty badass. I mean, pretty good, pretty sweet. Pretty sweet, if you know what I mean.